How to add credit card in Cash App. So first you need to log in into your Cash App, and here from the top right corner we're simply going to click on our profile icon. Now once we're taken to our profile, we want to go to linked banks here, and then you will see an option to link a debit card. Now you probably will see link credit card right here if you have already linked a debit card. However, if you don't have a linked debit card, then first you will need to link a debit card here by clicking on this plus icon, typing out your debit card information here, and then selecting link card. So after you have linked a debit card, a credit card option will appear right underneath it. So that's how you do it. It will first require you to link a debit card here, and then you will see the option to link a credit card right underneath it, and you can repeat the same process. So linked banks, you link a debit card, and then by clicking on the plus icon, it will show you the information here that you will have to fill out for your credit card. So I hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.